is Jesus in your life? Okay, anyone who wants to speak? Okay, who is Jesus in your life? Come. Come here. High school. Come here, Ashley. Who is Jesus in your life? Since we study here in Adventist Echo High School, we are doing the advanced education. Who is Jesus in your life?
My Savior. My Savior. Because He protects me and gives blessings.
ก็คำถามก็คือใครเป็นพระเจ้าในชีวิตนะครับก็คำตอบผมก็คือคนที่เป็นพระเจ้าสำหรับผมก็คือแม่ครับที่ผมยกให้แม่ผมเป็นพระเจ้าเพราะว่าในทุกปัญหาแม่ผมช่วยผมแก้ปัญหาทุกอย่างเสมอถึงแม้ผมจะเจอปัญหาอะไรก็ตามแม่ผมก็จะคอยให้กำลังใจแล้วก็ช่วยผมแก้ปัญหาอยู่ตลอด
Can I ask Sonia also? Sonia, Sky, and who is in this group? MJ, come here. Who is Jesus in your life? Come. I know that there is something you want to tell. Come here. Sonia, Sky, 1 minute. Who is Jesus in your life?
My teacher, a friend. Everything. He gives miracles. I watch over us, my family, everyone. And that's it.
Okay. Good. Next.
He's my protector, my savior. He saved me from a lot of things that we can have. If you do position, restoration, stuff, his name is not very good. He always has me in my thoughts.
He is the solver, problem solver. Okay, next. Who else in here, in this group? Anyone here? Tony. Is Tony here? Tony, Karan, and Eden, come here. Okay, let's welcome our new students. Come here. I want to know who is Jesus in your life since you met him for 5 days. Come on. Come.
No.
Who is Jesus in your life? If you can speak on your dialect or language, can be Korean, English, Japanese, okay, it's fine.
He's my savior. He forgave me in everything.
Next.
So my father.
Okay, the Father.
My father. Jesus. Yeah, it's my best friend. And I trust him.
Next. Okay.
He is my savior. He protects us, not only me, and everyone. He protects everyone.
He died for our sin and he like, pass on his teachings instead of doing bad.
Okay, that's it. Very good.